My name is Mariam Javed. Today I am here to discuss how we will lose a weight through a chocolate. In US there are so many scientists who have discovered how to remove a fat or how to reduce a weight from a body through a chocolate. Basically they have discovered a way to dramatically reduces a fat content to milk chocolate. In fact it has been linked to numerous health benefits, like it improve your heart health, reduces inflammations, make your mind healthy, it makes yourself fresh, and it enhances your brain functions as well. There are so many people in this world who takes a chocolate as a sweet dish. This chocolate or the other chocolates are the most favorite sweet dish, and most of the people use this chocolate on their sweet dishes as well. So dark chocolates has so many advantages, like it improve your body to sensitivity to insulin. It also reduces the sugar or insulin problems from your body. It also remove the fats from your body. Also the dark chocolates make or give the energy to your hormones, to your cells or tissues. It also provides the energy to your body whenever you need it. On the other hand, researchers have discovered that dark chocolates taking on a daily basis makes your blood circulation very well in your body, and it also maintains your sugar level in your body. On the other hand, more scientists have also discovered, have also found that taking a chocolates on a positive way, it makes the mental health good, and it also makes your mood more fresh and entertainment as well. This is a chocolate. I have a Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate. Its price is 20. Its manufacture date is 26/12/2020, and its expiry date is 26/12/2021. If you want to take this only one chocolate, its price is 20, and if you want to get the whole box, you take it from 490 rupees from any type or any kind of food shop. You can buy it easily from your area where you live, or you can also find it from your town as well. The weight of this chocolate is 10 gram. And it's too much yummy. If you want to lose your weight, take this chocolate. On the other hand, the scientists have discovered, if you want to take this chocolate, if you want to eat this chocolate on a 40 gram on your daily basis, you can reduce your stress level. Especially women reduces their stress over 2 weeks. So eat these chocolates. These chocolates have 40 gram. If you eat this chocolate on your daily basis, you can make your mind healthy, you can make your mood so much beautiful, so much entertained, or you can also lose your weight through these chocolates, and you can also reduces your stress level through these chocolates. I just say at the end, removes all types of bad fats from your body to use these chocolates, and take these from your shop, from and where you live. They can easily available in all shops. It's not too much costly. You can purchase this easily. Thank you so much. Remember me in your prayers. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.